World Hydrogen Week 2024 will take place in Copenhagen, Denmark, from September 9th to 13th, 2024. This event is one of the largest global gatherings dedicated to hydrogen, bringing together industry leaders, policymakers, researchers, and investors to discuss the future of the hydrogen economy. The 2024 edition will feature conferences, exhibitions, workshops, and networking opportunities, with the aim of boosting the adoption of hydrogen as a clean energy source. The event will address topics such as technological innovations in the hydrogen sector, global policies and regulations for hydrogen, the role of hydrogen in the energy transition and decarbonization, infrastructure projects and financing of hydrogen-related initiatives, international collaborations for the development of a global hydrogen economy. World Hydrogen Week is a strategic opportunity for companies, governments, and researchers to explore partnerships and investments in the hydrogen sector, considered one of the pillars for the energy transition and climate change mitigation. The Convention Nacional Petrolera 2024 will be held on September 12th at the Papalote Museo del Niño in Mexico City. This event, organized by the Asociación Mexicana de Empresas de Hidrocarburos, AMEXI, reaches its 8th edition, bringing together hydrocarbon sector leaders, government authorities, regulators, and international experts to discuss the future of the oil and gas industry in Mexico. The event's program will include lectures on relevant topics, such as the role of women in the energy sector, the future of Mexico as an oil and gas power, and the development of new technologies for field exploration. In addition, there will be several opportunities for networking, with the participation of more than 300 industry professionals. The Green Hydrogen India International Conference 2024 will be held from September 11th to 13th, 2024, and will focus on advancing the green hydrogen sector in India. This event will feature a variety of key activities including expert presentations on topics such as policy developments, energy transition strategies, technology solutions, and investment opportunities. It will also provide insights into state government initiatives for green hydrogen projects across India. The conference is expected to attract industry leaders, policymakers, and investors, with a strong emphasis on B2B meetings and networking sessions to foster collaboration in this rapidly growing sector. The Rio Oil and Gas 2024, now branded as ROG.E, will take place from September 23 to 26, 2024, at Olympic Boulevard in Rio de Janeiro. This event is one of the world's largest gatherings in the energy sector, bringing together leaders from the oil, gas, and renewable energy industries. Key discussions will focus on energy transition, security, decarbonization technologies, and investment strategies. The 2024 edition will feature Congress sessions, exhibitions, and 6 parallel events, such as the IUP Innovation Connections, Onshore Forum, and specialized arenas for renewables, biofuels, and lubricants. The event expects over 70,000 attendees, with more than 500 exhibitors. Industry leaders, including CEOs from companies like Shell, BP, TotalEnergies, and Equinor, will participate as keynote speakers. The World Biogas Technical Aspects for Implementing a Successful Biogas Project event in September 2024 is a significant conference focusing on biogas project development. This event is part of a broader initiative to drive the growth of the biogas sector worldwide, particularly in the context of energy security and climate change. It will address key topics such as the latest technological advancements in biogas production, strategies for project execution, and the role of biogas in achieving sustainable energy goals. Participants will have the opportunity to hear from experts on topics like biomethane upgrading, the integration of biogas into existing energy infrastructure, and the financial strategies necessary for scaling biogas projects. The conference will feature presentations, industry panels, and networking opportunities designed to share knowledge and build partnerships across the biogas industry. This event aims to provide practical insights into making biogas projects successful, from the planning stages through to full-scale implementation. The ADBA Northern Ireland Conference 2024, focused on biogas and biomethane, will take place on September 4, 2024, at the ICC Belfast. Organized by the Anaerobic Digestion and Bioresources Association (ADBA), this conference will explore Northern Ireland's emerging biomethane strategy and related policy and financial mechanisms to scale up the anaerobic digestion (AD) and biogas industry. Key sessions will include discussions on green gas networks, biomethane grid injection, and the role of AD in sustainable farming and nutrient management. Biorefined Cluster Europe. This event provides an important platform for industry leaders, policymakers, and stakeholders to share insights on advancing Northern Ireland's biogas sector. The Biogas Power On 2024 conference will take place from September 25 to 26, 2024, in Copenhagen, Denmark. This event focuses on the development and future of biogas and biomethane production, particularly within the European energy sector. Attendees can expect discussions on European policies, the impact of new renewable energy directives, advancements in biogas to biomethane technologies, and the role of biogas in decarbonizing industries. The conference is a significant networking opportunity, gathering experts across the biogas value chain, including technology providers, equipment manufacturers, and government representatives. Additionally, site visits to operational plants are part of the agenda, offering practical insights into successful biogas projects.